Okay, the time is now about 10 minutes after 10 in the morning. Today's date is May the 6th, 2015. I am in Los Angeles County, Los Angeles. I'm on the beach here. I'm not sure what they call this beach. I'm looking out here to see this kayak, and I see a man paddling, and I see black items coming out of the water, and I'm thinking it's seals or dolphins or something, and it's actually people swimming right next to the kayak. Talk about some endurance, man. Oh my God, I couldn't imagine that. Swimming right along with the shoreline, not even coming up for air hardly at all. I mean, they're doing the swimming pattern, but that's all they're doing. They're not stopping at all. Anyway, I just struck that as kind of a little oddity. I wanted to document it. They came from, oh look, there's one way back here. Let's see, right there, yeah, right where my finger's at. Wait, no? Try to see it on the screen. Okay, right there. Right above my finger, right, bam, hit him. That is crazy. Hey, you're leaving one behind. You're leaving one behind. Never leave a man behind. Not like that person can hear me at all. Anyway, alright guys, 2 minutes into this video. You see what's going on out here. This is crazy.